Earlier this week, Polar Pro sent me out a set of ND filters. They sent me out a set of polarizer filters and a set of normal ND filters. Got to test them out on the Autel EVO, and I got some thoughts, so stay tuned. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm Original Dobo. And if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. Polar Pro sent out two sets of ND filters, one that is a set of polarizer filters and one that's just sort of everyday use ND filters. The build quality is exceptional on these filters. Now, these filters can be mixed and matched if you order directly from their website, but if you order from Amazon or buy from anywhere else, you're probably gonna get these common filters, ND4, ND8, and ND16. Now, those three filters should be more than enough to accommodate you throughout multiple shooting scenarios throughout the day. But if you're in a brighter situation, you may want to look towards an ND32 or maybe even on the extreme case, an ND64. But I had no problems just using these. I typically fly around the 4 o'clock hour because I think the sun is in like the perfect position to get the best shots, at least here in Florida anyhow. Your results may vary. Now, I'm not going to go through overall comparisons with these filters because they're ND filters. Overall, look at the footage that I shot with this. If you haven't already, check out the cinematic that I did and you'll get a good idea of how these actually work. Now, in the cinematic, I tested two filters. I tested an ND4 and an ND8, and both filters absolutely accelerated the saturation and the vividness of the shot. Now that the EVO has the tilt fix pretty much licked, I think it's pretty safe to say that you can start investing in some filters to take your footage to the next level. Now, if you don't know what an ND filter does, it allows you to moderate your shutter speed to the frames per second that you're shooting in. So for instance, this video was shot in 4K 60 FPS, so my shutter was set to 120. That'll give you the best, most cinematic and smooth shots in your video. But overall, I really do like these filters. I mean, for $79 that they have them listed for on Amazon or on Polar Pro's website is a pretty good steal. Now, somebody did say they saw these cheaper on Autel's website. I did reach out to Polar Pro for comment. They are looking into that to see what the discrepancy is there. But $79.99 nets you three filters. Again, you can mix and match. You can even order just single filters. If you feel like you're going to use maybe an ND4 or an ND8, you can just order those filters directly from the website. So I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below where you can pick these up. You can either get them from Carolina Drones or Amazon. I'll include both links in the description below. And then I think probably next week I'll do a comparison between these and the freewheel filters so you can get a good idea of which is which, because freewheel does give you 8 filters, but these 3 have been more than enough for what I was doing here. But let me know what you think in the comment section below. I will see you next time. Stay original.